Why does me eating bush peas help?
Because it makes you miserable, which makes me slightly less miserable.
Your logic is flawless.
Jade, will you please pop Trina's shoulder pimple? No, absolutely not. Is someone being a negative Nancy or a whiny Willie? You cannot make me pop.
We made a deal with Psychowitz. Should I tell our whole class that you couldn't handle it?
Will someone please just pop my pimple?
Will you, Jade?
Yes. Oh, that's good stuff. Later.
What's wrong? Some goo got in my eye!
Where are you going?
Anywhere else. Okay. Do this, and that's for you.
I told no one.
I told people not to look.
Well, then it had to have been Robbie because... What do you mean you told people not to look?
I tweeted it on the Slap.
What did you tweet?
Hey, wait a minute. Sinjin?
Hi, Jade.
Where did you get that lamp?
At the lamp store.
It looks exactly like the lamp I have in my den at home.
Oh. Weird.
Are you in my house? Take your computer with you!
Please don't tell my mother.
There is no upper hand, I'm giving you mine. It doesn't have to end up wasting your time. There's things that I could say, but here in my way, I wanna let you know that it's all okay.
Awesome French fries today.
Can I have a fry? Does anyone else have fries?
Thank you, Andre and Beck, for handcuffing Jade to the table.
No problem.
I'm sick of this. Ice cream reminds me of my childhood.
You didn't have a happy childhood?
My favorite toy was a hammer. You finished the puzzle. Give it back.
Sure, yeah.
Here, thanks.
Okay, I came up with the perfect team. Why is Jade here? You're not part of my perfect team.
You're putting your suckfish sister on our team?
Our team?
Suckfish?
Stop it! Look, you know what? I'm tweeting. Yep. I am on theslap.com, and I'm tweeting big news. I picked my brain squeezers team. It's me and
Me.
Andre and
Me.
Beck and
Me.
Robbie.
No! You hit send on that tweet. I wouldn't have...
Suckfish! Flows through this transformer and then powers the robot.
Isn't it cool?
I don't know. All I heard was hamster, hamster, science, science, Tori's boring, kill me.
What's your idea to pay
No, you came to me, and I... Yeah, I should have told you. This is a bad place to hide from Jade.
I gotta take this and kill you both with it.
How could you kill us with toilet paper?
Put it down. Put it down.
I took the wrong bus.
Well, you know what happens to little girls with asthma who take the wrong bus?
No.
They get a face full of door!
What does that mean?
Little grunch.
Pull your head back in the car before I roll up the window and cut it off.
My head's back in the car.
I was working on the set dressing for the interior of the well, and I found 2 different kinds of moss.
They look like your hair.
Thanks. This one's called Kentucky Red Moss, and this one comes...
Go! Have this coffee and tell me what it tastes like. Hazelnut? I don't know. I found it in the garbage. Hey, but what? I don't. So let's see it.
Here we go.
So one more time, can I have $20? Give it to me.
Thanks. Hey, you girls are pretty. Maybe...